Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is Monday, March 17th, 2025. That'll make it St. Patrick's Day. Coming to you from mobile headquarters. Just got done with a solid 25-minute walk. Had to cut it a little short. I got a late start, and Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99. I have some business to attend to. But yeah, my heel feels fine. The plantar fasciitis, I think, is behind me. It gets a little stiff every now and then, my heel, but I'm doing good. So, old school advice, old school free advice. You're going to think I'm crazy. You're going to think I'm old, which I'm getting older. You only have one time to make a first impression. Please, when you're meeting somebody for the first time, make a good impression. You have no idea how far a good impression goes. If you didn't hear me, I'll say it again. You only have one time to make a good first impression. You know what? At the store that I'm at, or the parking lot that I walk, you know how in front of a store they'll have like handicap parking? They have senior citizen parking. That's wild. I never noticed that. Anyhow, you only have one time to make a good first impression. And that's the video. I can remember my grandfather telling me that. Him talking to me, and he would look down over the crib and say, Crypto Mentor 99, you're only going to have one time to make a good impression on somebody. Make it good. And I remember my dad saying it. And I remember high school teachers saying it, thinking, oh, that's outdated. You know, I'm going to do my own thing. Yada, yada, yada. And I could tell you, as a person in their mid-60s, you have no idea how important a first impression is, whether good or for bad. That's the video. Crypto Mentor 99, thanks for being a part of my crypto family. And did you get your walk in today or your exercise? Love y'all. Bye-bye.